Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Topic: the complexities of social media in today's society. Dialogue name: the good, the bad, and the influential. Setting: two friends, Sarah and David, are having coffee at a cafe.
I just don't know about social media anymore. It feels like it's doing more harm than good these days.
I can see where you're coming from. There's definitely a lot of negativity and misinformation out there.
Exactly. And the constant comparison game? It's so unhealthy. Everyone's posting their highlight reels, making everyone else feel inadequate.
It's true that social media can be a breeding ground for envy and insecurity. But I think it also has a lot of positive aspects.
Like what?
Well, for starters, it's a great way to stay connected with friends and family, especially those who live far away. And it can be a powerful tool for raising awareness about important issues.
I guess that's true. I do like staying in touch with people online. But sometimes it feels like everyone's just trying to be an influencer these days. It's all about getting likes and followers.
There's definitely a lot of pressure to be popular online. But I think it's important to remember that social media isn't real life. It's a curated version of people's lives.
You're right. But it's hard not to get sucked in sometimes. And the whole influencer culture can be really misleading, especially for young people.
I agree. It's important to be critical of what you see online and to remember that not everything is as perfect as it seems. But I still think social media can be a positive force if used wisely.
Maybe you're right. I just need to find a way to balance it out and focus on the positive aspects.
Exactly. Social media is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us to decide how we use it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.